ROCKO Vinyl is a great option for every interior living space in your home. It's rigid, durable, strong, and great for high moisture areas like kitchens, bathrooms, or basements. It's scratch-resistant, stain-proof, easy to install and handle. Plus, it includes pre-attachment underlayment, which minimizes walking sounds. How to install. ROCKO Vinyl can be installed and maintained in the temperature range from 60 degrees to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Let the flooring acclimate to the room temperature prior to installation. Read the installation guide placed on the back side of the packaging. No special tools are required, and minimum floor preparation is needed. ROCKO Vinyl can be installed over concrete, wood, and existing tile or vinyl, as long as it's in good shape, secure, and without any deflection. Deep joints have to be filled with a leveler. If installing over floor heating, make sure the temperature of subfloor does not exceed 81 degrees Fahrenheit. ROCKO Vinyl does not require any adhesives or glue. Subfloor should be dry, clean, and level. No more than 0.08-inch difference per 40 inches. You do not have to use planks from different boxes to mix up colors and patterns. Each design of ROCKO Vinyl has up to 60 different planks to preserve the natural look of wood or stone flooring. You should purchase a minimum 10% more than needed to allow for waste or mistakes. When installing ROCKO Vinyl, maintain a 0.4-inch gap on either end by using proper spacers. Measure the room length and divide by the length of the planks. In case of a result less than 16 inches, cut your first plank accordingly to avoid planks that are too short on the opposite side of the room. Calculate the width of the last row. Measure the width of the room and divide it by the width of the plank. If the number is less than half of the width of the plank, then you need to trim the first and the last row to avoid planks that are too narrow. Before installation, place supporting planks by the wall, keeping the extension gap. You should place one supporting plank per each short seam of the first row. Supporting planks will be removed in further installation steps. Start the installation at the left-hand corner and proceed with the tongue facing the wall. When starting your first row, lock the two first planks in place by folding down the second piece. Then tap down on the top of the planks on the short seams using a tapping block and a hammer. To cut the end plank in the first row, simply mark the proper measurement and score the plank using a utility knife and a straight edge. Then just snap the plank along the score line. You will also need to cut back the underlayment on the bottom of the plank. You can use excess cut pieces to start rows, if they're at least 16 inches. When installing the second row, connect the long side of the plank first. Then slide the plank so the short sides meet. Then lock in the short ends. Use a tapping block and a hammer to ensure proper fit on short seams. Continue laying planks as you go until the row is complete. Remove the supporting planks and slide the connected panels against the wall. Continue the installation, staggering the joints at least 16 inches and maintaining the extension gap. The staggered seams can be repeated each row or be random. You may need to cut the door casing so the plank can slide underneath. Place the plank next to the door casing and cut it with a handsaw or a jam saw. Cover the extension gaps by the baseboard molding, installed at the end of the project. You may set your furniture right after the installation and enjoy your project.